Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Husk from Hazbin Hotel. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyebrows. Okay, let's first start off in the center and let's draw two curves down and out. Then let's draw a long curve out and bring it down at the end. And the same thing underneath. And then close off the end of each eyebrow. Next, inside each eyebrow at the end, let's draw two lines down. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw another two. Now color both of these stripes in black. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's move down and draw the eyes. Underneath the eyebrows here, let's draw a curve going out. Then let's curve it back in underneath. Next, let's move inside each of the eyes and let's draw a curve at the bottom. And then a skinnier curve up in the center. And now color both of these in black. Next, underneath the left eye, let's draw a curve. And then let's hop on top of each eye and let's draw a sideways heart. And color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and let's draw the nose. Underneath in the center, let's draw a heart. And then color it in black. Now underneath, let's draw the mouth. Let's start under the nose and slightly to the right, and let's draw a large curve over to the left. And then a smaller curve over to the right side. And then close off the bottom with a line across. Next, inside, let's draw a zigzag line for the teeth. Now let's move over on the left and let's draw a small curve around the mouth. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move up and let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on top in between the hearts and let's draw a curve up and out to each eyebrow. Then let's continue it on the other side, curving it down. Now on the left, let's draw a curve out and down to the mouth. And the same on the right, but we're going to bring it lower. Then from the left, let's curve it down, stopping here. And then on the right, we're going to bring it out and curve it down, leaving a gap in the middle for the bow. Now let's hop into the center here and let's draw the bow. Let's start with an oval. Then for the top corners, let's curve it out and back in. And then a larger curve underneath. Now inside on the left, let's draw 2 angled lines and then 1 curve on the right. And that's it for the bow. Now let's move out and finish drawing the head. Let's hop back up underneath the eyebrows and let's draw a curve down and out. And the same on the right. Now let's add a V-shaped point up. And then 1 more. Now for the bottom, let's draw a curve out and curve it back in. Then underneath, let's bring it out and curve it in. And then 1 more curve down towards the bow, leaving a small gap. Then to finish off the bottom here, let's draw a small curve out and back in. And that's it for the bottom half of the head. Now let's move up and let's draw the top. Let's start by drawing the ears. On top of the eyebrows, let's draw a curve up and back down. And then let's continue the outer line down underneath the eyebrow like this. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve across near the top. And then a heart inside the bottom section. Now on top of each ear, let's draw 2 bumps going up and back down. And then color both of these in black. Now from the top of the left side, let's draw an angle back down. And then before we draw the right side, let's add the hat. From the bottom of the left side, let's draw a curve over to the right and curve it up. And then on the left, let's draw an oval shape. And then curve the brim of the hat back over. Now for the right side, let's step in and we're going to draw an angle up. And then another angle on the left side near the ear. And then close off the top of the hat with a curve. Now inside this top section, let's draw another curve near the bottom. Then let's color the top section of the hat in black. And the brim of the hat as well. And that's it for the hat. Now let's finish off the right ear by drawing an angle down like this. And that's it for Husk. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!